Hello, welcome to this video about how to export data using Data Loader. The first thing you need to do is open Data Loader. If you don't have Data Loader installed on your workstation, we already created a video in order to show you how you can install this tool. Here you will see different options like insert, update, observe, delete, export, or export all. In this case, we are going to do an export. The first thing we need to do is to log in. You can select between your production or any of your sandboxes. Let's click login and it will ask you for your Salesforce credentials. Click allow. And now that we are logging into Data Loader, let's click next. And here is very important to keep the format CSV. And in this case, I'm going to change the name of the file. I'm going to put incidents. And here select on a specific location in my workstation. So let's click browse and I'm going to put this file on the desktop. Click save. And now let's select the object that we want to export information. In this case, I'm going to select the incident object. I want to extract all the incidents that I have in my org. After we select the object, we have to click next. And here you will find all the list of the fields that belong to the incident object. In this case, select all fields because I want to extract all the information for all the records. And here you can add some conditionals if you want to filter by if the ticket is open or closed or specific status or category or any criteria. So in this case, I won't add any criteria. So I'm going to click finish. Yes. And here you will see that I successfully exported 22 records without errors. Click view the extraction and here you will find all the records. In this case, I only have 22 records in my org. And you can open it in an external program. So it means that it will be opened in an Excel file. As you can see that I have all the fields that belongs to the incident object, like the status, client ID, category, basically all the fields. So here it helps you for reporting purposes, also for backups. If someone deletes data is not on the recycle bin, you can import this file and add those records again. It also helps you for audit purposes. So here you will see all the information. Thanks for watching this video about how to export data using Data Loader.